This week for my culinary class, I chose to make Italian meatballs. So first, you're probably going to want to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. And then in a large mixing bowl, you're going to want to have 1.5 pounds of ground beef or pork. And then you're going to want to mix everything together into that bowl. And so first, we have our meat, and then we're going to have a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. So you're going to put that right in there. Then you're going to have 1 large slightly beaten egg, already whisked it and everything. Put that in there. Then you're going to have 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. Got that. And now 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now you want 2 tablespoons of black pepper. And 2 tablespoons of salt, or you can use less. Now you want 1/2 cup of milk. And 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. So now that you got everything mixed together, well, not mixed, but everything in the bowl, you want to mix them together, so you're going to have to get dirty. So first you're probably going to want to wash your hands. I already did that. So now you just got to dig in there and start mixing everything together. It's not a good feeling. It feels really mushy and kind of gross, but hopefully this turns out, and yeah. And before we roll this into meatballs, you probably want to get a cookie sheet out, and I put parchment paper on top of it so it doesn't stick to the cookie sheet. Alright, this looks pretty mixed up. Terrible consistency, but so probably want to like golf size meatballs, not too big, not too small. Golf ball size. Probably a little big. I probably have more in this bowl than this can fit, so I'm probably going to have to make 2 batches. So that. Keep them about 1 inch apart from each other. Don't want them too crowded or else they'll stick together. It's a really messy job, so after this I'm going to have to wash my hands real good. Probably going to make 1 more. That's all that looks like this can fit. Got that, and that's probably only half of what this batch is, so I'm going to do 1 more after this, but you guys already see that, so I'm going to wash my hands now. Make sure you use soap. Don't want raw meat on your hands. Really bad. Now that dry off, gonna want to stick these in the oven for about 20-30 minutes. 25 minutes, and the meatballs have been cooking in the oven, and it's now time to pull them out because they are ready. And this is what you should be looking for, hopefully.